Whoa, this bridge isn't made of wood or concrete. It's made of tree roots. Yes, welcome to Meghalaya, home to the living root bridges. These bridges are grown, not built. Grown? How is that even possible? The local Khasi and Jaintia tribes guide the roots of rubber trees across rivers using bamboo and betel nut trunks. Over time, the roots grow strong enough to hold people. Some bridges are over 100 years old. That's amazing. They must be super strong. Absolutely. These bridges can hold up to 50 people at once and become stronger as they grow. They're also eco-friendly and last much longer than wooden or steel bridges. This is nature and engineering working together. I have to walk on this.